Hi there, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to find or locate Facebook dating blocked list. In order to view a list of profiles you have blocked on Facebook dating, you want to navigate to your Facebook application and log in. The next thing you want to do is here click on the menu bar in the top of the page and go and click on the gear icon. As you do it so, under audience and visibility here you could see the blocking section. You want to click that out. As you've actually done it so, you could see the blocking list. So this is actually you could go ahead and click on that, and this is how you could find Facebook dating blocked list. And similarly, if you are unable to do it so from this page, then you want to go to the Facebook dating itself or the dating app dating section itself and click on the gear icon and go to the blocked section, and there you could locate it so as well. This is how you could find Facebook dating blocked list. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.